welcoming everyone to one and all present here. Myself Preetha.
Myself Preet.
Myself Kaya.
And today we are going to present Digital Art Integrated Project. Our topic is Green Economy and its attributes.
Instructed by Kashyap sir. We would like to start by a quote that if you really think that environment is less important, then try holding your breath while you count your money. As this quote really says a true thing that environment is very much important than your money. If you have money but you do not have nice environment and health, then you have nothing.
Now, what do you understand by green economy and what do you think it is? Green economy is a way to grow the economy in a sustainable way without harming our environment in a sustainable manner which is driven by people. So now let's have a detailed look on it.
In a green economy, growth in employment and income are driven by people and private investment in such economic activities, infrastructure and assets that allow reduce carbon emissions and pollution and enhance energy and resource efficiency, etc.
How climate differs the green economy? How it affects the green economy? So, when there are different climatic drastic changes like drought or floods, the economy is directly harmed by it and it affects the economy. So now let's have a detailed look on it.
The role of green economy, sustainable consumptions and production and resource efficiency for our sustainable development. Sustainable consumption and production aims to improve production processes and consumption practices to reduce resource consumption and waste. What are the programs of green economy? As green economy has launched many programs like policy instruments, economic instruments and capacity building. We would like to have a detailed look on it. Green economy is very important in everyone's life, not a single person but in everyone's life. As green economy is directly affected on economy, and if the environment is much cared and protected in a well manner, then it would lead in a more efficient economy. So here the government has introduced many programs to enhance the green economy in our country.
Some of the programs are GSDP, CA programs and etc.
This graph is showing the increasing green economy. Showing the awareness of environment, individual can contribute to green economy in several ways: reduce, reuse and recycle. As she correctly said that there are three ways: reuse, reduce and recycle. We all know that these are main three important that we use in our daily life, and if we do not use, then we should try to practice it in our daily basis. Because reduce means we should reduce the harmful waste like wrappers and many things which harm the environment. So we should reduce its consumption. Then the other thing is reuse. Reuse is very important and we see everywhere we use reuse. Like when we tear a paper and we are not using it, then we can use in a different manner. Like the empty bottles of oils, shampoos, etc. are collected in a truck and then they are sent to a factory where it reuses it and it comes in a new form. So it's a very efficient way. The third is recycle. Recycle and reuse are same, but recycle means that if a tree, when we cut and make a paper from it, then when we know that junk shop, these paper are then sent to junk shop when we do not have that use, and that junk shop sells it to the main dealer and then it is recycled in that way.
Reuse agenda is shown in every household as mothers collect the poly bags, bottles which are not used for any other purpose. They collect it and use in a further ways.
As I correctly said that these are the various programs of green development. Our government is very well developed and it knows that we have to launch some programs for a green economy because it is very important, and if we would not take a look on green economy, then it will lead to a bad economy. So here are the programs like GSDP, CAA, NEPA, CW and ESA. We would have a further look on GSDP as it's a very important program in daily basis.
About Now GSDP. GSDP is a program which is introduced by the government to increase the economy in a sustainable way, which affects in our daily lives. So now let's have a detailed look on it.
The pilot was launched in June 2017 at 10 locations. Most vocational training programs focus on mechanical, technical skills rather than soft or green skills.
As we have given a lot of information about our topic, I would like the contestants, I would like our listeners, if they have any doubts or if they want to ask anything or if they want to give any information towards that they know and we don't know, then they can please give. If anyone has done anything about saving our environment and if they have done a good deed in conserving our environment and provided a green economic way to it, so please anyone have, then they can tell.
What is the conclusion of this task?
Yes, sir. These all programs were launched in different years, and the main and the important aim was to conserve our green economy and our green environment, because as we all know that without environment and without health, nothing can be possible. And all money is a waste without green economy.
Government also knows that if we will work on our environment, it will. If the environment is bad, then it will affect the health of the people and it will affect the economy. So, if they will launch some development programs like GSDP, CA, NEPA, then it will reduce the harmful actions towards the environment, which will improve the economy.
Important sectors. Green steel has many important sectors and people.
According to Karl Burkhardt, the green economy is based on 6 sectors: renewable energy, green buildings, sustainable transport, water management, and waste management. These are the 6 important sectors of green economy.
We have made a collage on the basis of our green economy and its attributes. These are images related to it. I would like to have an attention on this image. This shows a very good example, because here the green economy means environment is not harmed. See, the water is also used like hydroelectric energy, solar is used, solar energy, and green economy, so green energy. All the ways of energy are conserved and are used for a better use. Our government is focusing on these type of energies and to save the energy, and this is also a big example of green economy. And the government is trying to make success in all of our countries and states. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.